Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
I will explain legitimate ways to track a phone number location safely and legally. Start with built-in services like Find My iPhone and Find My Device by Google. These services use GPS accuracy, often within 10 meters on modern smartphones. Next, contact the mobile carrier for lawful location via cell tower data. Carrier triangulation accuracy ranges from 50 to 500 meters depending on density. Always obtain consent or a warrant. Tracking without permission may be illegal. Use official apps and carrier portals rather than unknown third-party tracking tools. First, enable location sharing on the target phone inside settings and confirm permissions. Open Find My iPhone or Find My Device and sign in with the associated account credentials. For family tracking, enable family sharing and invite the person to share their location with you. If you have account access, use the carrier portal to request device location information. Carriers require account login or a lawful request, such as a warrant to release precise coordinates. Always verify that location services and background app refresh are enabled for accurate results. Understand the legal and ethical boundaries before attempting any tracking action. Unauthorized tracking can lead to criminal charges and civil liability, so secure consent or a court order. In emergencies, contact 911 or local authorities to request immediate location assistance from carriers and services. Consider safer alternatives like asking the person to share location via messaging apps or family location features. To protect your own privacy, disable location services, revoke sharing permissions, or sign out of device tracking accounts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.